Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon Pak Jaka senama. Atrai di pentip nai kibriyo syasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habai shimanta kajingata ya ther halor kamang tengka yang dorbar tawan. Kajela UMLA ka Shella constituency uba balajit senram. Ulah kerani kikat tu kat ni teli kimat. Bo Kwah bak sarkar kan pelet jingmut. Lingba kan ni kamang tengka ka pemerintah. Kawai ni kajing ajingmut uba balajit kalong. Pemerintah kajing penhe ya kakat lingsun ha umrei kadang ya pat kani kan penmentoi ki babun. Pat ukwa bak sarkar kan sna ya ka Jaka Hiar Helikoptar Sohra kanang bagi turis ki Hiar ha umrei kinyo ban syong dak helikopter sa Sohra. Kawai pat kajing ajingmut kadai halo kajing yo rong tu ki beriu ki bana Bangladesh. Hapo uput usam nyong ke India. Haba ki julu teru na kinong snong. Halor kani ukwa panalor kajing kier kan ronar ka sarkar kadiban pharu dak Shipai Lajong ki banya tre ringkat bar ki Shipai BSF kanang bakinla banyada na kajing wan rung tu kinong Bangladesh. Kiwi pat kijing ajingmut ki kentup halor kajing duna ki doktor haki Jaka sumar sarkar kajing bamla ban penrong ha ka PMG SY ya ki katu kat ne teli snong kum ka snong umblai bat ka terngai ha Shella constituency namar kim kot kajing bun briu kum bala bu haki kendon mal baka jingbun beriu jongki kishim kat kum ka sensas tong usnam arjar khatwei bat ukerpat yak sarkar baka diben khlong na kamang tengka ka pamenta ban pen poi surok syakitu kisnong.
The key things about this budget this year is about how to make sure the economy runs within the state. I look through the connectivity part. The purpose of improving the livelihoods of the people in a state is based on how money circulates within the market and within the area. And first and foremost, when I saw the amount regarding to the expansion of the airport at Umroi, that in a way, in the long term, will help the people of a state, not just the tourists, the people involved in tourism, but even the people involved in the taxis or maxi cabs, and even locals residing in that area will eventually profit from this particular project. And not just that, we also seek the light of day when in Sohra or Shella, we will have our own heliport when tourists will come and land in Umroi, and from there just take a helicopter flight to Sohra. And so we look at the amount mentioned in the health department and in the PWD. Health is a major concern in the state. Yes, we have heard other members mentioning, but there's one particular key factor with regards to the doctors. Our state doctors are performing really well, but sadly, sir, there's a shortage of doctors. And I should keep asking my friends who are in this field, why are there less doctors? They mention some of them, they go via state quota, they study outside, but they don't come back. Some come back, they pay the bond, and that's it. But what about those doctors who have passed and have not even cleared the bond? Well, I think, sir, all these doctors who goes by the state quota, I think when they sign the bond, there's a guarantor in place. If the department cannot find that particular person, they can always find the guarantor. And if they can't find him, we can always send the police department to go and track and search for these people. See, this reflects on the whole thing on what our budget, of what our Chief Minister is trying to place down in the budget. And road sector. We are very happy that in the last couple of years, the department has given so many roads, so many developments. When you go to New Shillong, you see so many stretches of roads, and especially in my constituency, I have received a chunk full of development from the department. But when it comes to PMGSY, so there's an issue earlier this year. Most of the roads which we proposed, there are certain areas like Umblai and in Terengai, they have been qualified as an approval from the center and from the state. Sadly, because the census of 2011, these villages could not qualify. But I'm happy to note that the Chief Minister's Rural Connectivity Program, which has an amount of around 43 crores, maybe from that amount, it can be given and earmarked in these particular villages in my constituency. And so when it comes to safety and security of a state, we see in the news clippings every now and then of illegal immigrants coming from Bangladesh to our country. Last couple of months, I was traveling in my constituency, and along the road, I met a person who just told me that just a few minutes ago, 4 or 5 illegal Bangladeshis entered into India and they looted some people from our country. And that's why, sir, we need to strengthen our fencing. Yes, we understand the BSF is there along the border. But then when it comes to personals, it's scarce. So if maybe the government can consider having our own patrol force who will work hand in hand with BSF and along with the villages in the international border. I think that way will show a sense of security amongst our own people. Because if you look at the population of the other country, they have around 17 crores. And our state, we basically have around 40 to 50 lakhs. So imagine, sir, if they are to visit our country forcefully, what will happen to the people residing in the border areas in the entire state? That's my concern, as well as other members. And lastly, sir, when it comes to tourism, the government has, in the last year and this year also, given a lot of schemes to our people in Sohra and in Shella. And I'm very happy that during the question hour, in the last couple of days, our Honorable Chief Minister has clearly mentioned that these homestay schemes have been de-linked from the previous PMEGP, which deals with the banks. And that's a good progress. That also helps our people to get the required funds and start their work. And lastly, sir, in education department, I had put up a question in the assembly the other day, because education, I think around 13% government has proposed for this year's budget of 26-27. And sir, there's one particular issue with the EMRS, the Clavier Model Schools. Now, according to the report which I got, I think our state government will not be conducting the exams for teaching and non-teaching staffs. It's vested with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, which is under NEST. Now, my only concern, if that agency is conducting the exams, well and fine, because since this is a grant and aid, and if people from the entire country will apply for these jobs, and if the government of India pays this salary in perpetuity, we'll be fine. But suddenly they stop the aid and tells the state government, please, it's your turn to pay for these salaries. So what will happen again to the education department? The burden will fall again upon the state. And my submission through you, Mr. Chairman, that if a government of the day we'll take up this matter again with the ministry so that it'll be easy for people in the state in the long run. So, sir, once again, I'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for presenting such a beautiful budget for this particular year of 2006 and 2027. With these few words, I raise my seat. Thank you, sir.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.